And now I have to know with this olive if it's going to be too green to use for a skin tone or if it's got some potential. Because what I've noticed so far, at least with the actual colors, is they seem to lose a little bit of their pigmentation, their vibrancy as as you're inflating it. I mean, you can see a little bit. The lights are kind of there we go. But I mean, that's normal. That's expected. You're taking something that's one size, you're stretching out, so you're going to lose some of the pigment. Okay, yeah, that's a little too green for making a skin tone. I'll have to think about what I would actually use a lot of this color for. I mean, it's nice. It's definitely muted, and I think it has some definite potential for small details on bigger things to give some accents, give some shadowing. I'll have to think about that one. I'm gonna put that one into I can I need to think about what the potential for this is. If you got some good ideas, again, let me know. Put some comments on because the more minds we have thinking together, the more ways we can figure out to use these. Uh, the more we buy, and the more that hopefully the companies will keep producing more and more unique colors, and we'll have more inventory to go through. So let me put that down there. But yeah, okay, let's just make a little pile here.